Okay, this is N2LEM with another quick video clip. Here is the FT-101ZMK3. This particular unit is really very clean. It was at Fox Tango. Carol did a job on it a couple of years ago, right before I got it. And we just picked up the PB2040, the AM board. It's loaded with filters. We're going to install the board and just test it out. As you can see, the board was never installed. The wiring is right there. And then we're going to go ahead and figure out how we're going to install a 6 kilohertz AM filter. We might have to substitute one of the sideband filters, or may want to take one of the sideband filters out and put a switch, double pole, double throw switch, where we could switch in between the filters. But that's basically it. This is N2LEN upgrading a 101ZMK3, beautiful condition, with the AM board. N2LEN saying best 7.3. Okay, this is N2LEN with another follow-up. The brass standoffs that hold the board actually were too long that were sent. So what I had to do is I had to cut them down with a hacksaw. They're only brass. So I cut off, I don't know, maybe an inch, 3/4 of an inch. And then I had to use a drill bit actually to drill out the screw holes. So that'll be next. So I'm going to tap them. But they're pretty good, so that should be fine. We're going to go ahead and mount it. It was just the board was sitting way too high, interfering with the IF unit. This is N2LEN. We'll be back. Okay, this is N2LEN with another quick video clip. As you can see, the standoffs. One's right here, and the other one is right here. The lowered standoff. So we're going to go ahead and fit the board. N2LEN, we're out. Okay. This is N2LEN with another quick video clip, and there is the AM board installed in the FT-101ZMK3. You can see the standoffs that I cut to size. I followed this through the PDF of the Mark III 101ZMK3 installation manual. There was actually there was definitely instructions on how to do it, which is right here. But I couldn't find. There was one part of this that was difficult to find, and that was, see if I can get the mouse over here, right over here. This gray coax. This actually was in back of the VFO unit, literally down here, and it went down into the bottom of the radio, and then there was a male and female RCA jack under the radio. But once I found that, and I was able to unplug it and bring up the cables. All these cables were all original. This plug over here is for this, it's also a 3-pin plug, just like the one that's plugged in right over here. And that's, I believe that's J2402, which was right here. You have to follow the 3-pin plug. The two plugs, it's hard to see, but there it is. It's right in there. These two plugs are actually, they were wire tied together, and they were wire tied around here. This one is for the FM board. This actually feeds the squelch for the FM, and then the other one that's actually plugged in, that feeds the IF unit. Basically, a couple of changes from the RF unit. You have to pull off the red jumper that's here, and then feed it onto the board here, and then the RF jumper that's on the actual 8-pin Molex plug then piggybacks and comes back here. And that's basically it. The jumper wire, that the gray jumper wire that you unplug from under the chassis, that wire comes, the male plugs into the board, and then there's a female, another male that comes off of here that's on the AM unit, and that plugs into the female that you unplug the socket under the radio. And that's basically it. So next test will be to just check it and see if it works. This is N2LEN, and we're saying 7.3. Okay, this is N2LEN with another quick video clip. We're going to test the AM board that we just installed. First power up. Okay, lower side, upper side, tune, CW wide, CW narrow, and there's AM. So I guess we're all working. Yep. Okay. And there it is. Okay. This is N2LEN saying best 7.3.